Hi guys, this is Mike. Welcome to my channel 369 Unboxing. Today I'm going to review, unboxing and sound test the Tribit MaxSound Plus portable Bluetooth speaker. So this is upgraded Tribit MaxSound Plus Bluetooth speaker, portable to go anywhere. So this is nice Bluetooth speaker with advanced technology and some advanced features. So let's unbox it. So what we got in the box: one Tribit Max Sound Plus Bluetooth speaker, one user manual, aux-in cable, and USB Type C charging cable to charge the Bluetooth speaker. So this is nice Bluetooth speaker, huh? Rugged material, silicone body, all weatherproof. This is all weatherproof Bluetooth speaker with advanced features and advanced functions. So this is power on off button. So this one is Bluetooth pairing button. So this one is multi-functional button. If you press one time for play and pause, two times to skip to the next song, and if you press three times, it skips backward to the previous song. And also, while using your Bluetooth speaker, if you receive a call, press one time to receive a call, and after that, if you want to end the call, hold this button for 2 seconds. Hold this button for 2 seconds to end the call. Volume down, volume up. This is XBass mode to switch between extra bass and the normal bass mode. Nice. So this is strap for multiple use. Nice Bluetooth speaker, huh? Wow. Passive radiator in the back. Nice. So this is Type C charging port to charge the Bluetooth speaker, and aux-in port. Nice. Totally waterproof. Nice. So this is upgraded Tribit MaxSound Plus Bluetooth speaker. So 24 watts of output, powerful, louder sound, awesome. 20 hours of playtime in single charge. That give yourself the perfect soundtrack all day, every day. IPX7 Waterproof, dustproof, rustproof, and shockproof, sandproof, element proof, also all weatherproof. So this mighty speaker is ready for surf, turf, snow, and more. Nice, huh? Nice. So it also has a TWS pairing for big sound, for party, and XBass mode, powerful XBass technology provides toe-curling bass for multi-sensory experience. The Bluetooth range is 100 feet, up to 100 feet. You guys move freely around with your smartphone without worrying about dropping your music. Nice function, huh? Nice. This is upgraded version. So it's time to listen to the music and check the performance of this Tribit MaxSound Plus portable Bluetooth speaker. Okay, so let me turn on the Bluetooth speaker, and it's time to listen to the music and check the performance of this Tribit MaxSound Plus Bluetooth speaker. Wow, what a powerful Bluetooth speaker. Wow, crystal clear sound with deep bass. Nice. I bought from Amazon around $36 after coupon. So nice deals, 24-watt powerful louder sound, 20 hours playtime, IPX7 waterproof, dustproof, rustproof, everything proof, TWS pairing for big sound, indoor and outdoor Bluetooth speaker, XBass mode, Bluetooth range is 100 feet. That's nice. It's nice deal, huh? This is must-have Bluetooth speaker. So if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel 369 Unboxing. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.